How long do we spend sitting around playing games? Hour after hour, match after match. Wouldn't it be something to switch gears every once in a while? Introducing our brand new level 20 Battlestation. Playing PC games hasn't changed all that much in recent years, so now seems like the perfect time to shake things up a little bit. Thanks to the Battlestation's electric motor, switching between sitting and standing is incredibly easy. Simply press the arrow buttons to either raise or lower the desk, and easily make adjustments thanks to the LED height display. You may have also noticed 4 preset buttons. These allow you to save specific height levels that best suit you. This way, you can easily switch between sitting and standing, and not have to make any micro adjustments to return to the same level of comfort and support that you're used to. With a length of 165 centimeters and a depth of 75, if you've ever been worried about space, don't be. You'll have plenty of room for all kinds of desktop configurations, everything from dual displays, all kinds of peripheral gear, and even a full liquid-cooled system. And speaking of gear, you won't need to worry about finding a mousepad to game on. The gaming desk itself is one enormous mousepad, easily removable to allow for effortless cleaning and adjustments. Designed with an aluminium frame to help provide a sturdy and stable construction, we've even thought of the smaller things. We've provided an optimal cable management solution in the form of a handy cable routing tray, allowing for easy organization of cables, as well as hiding them all from you. Out of sight, out of mind. And you wouldn't expect anything less from us to not include some gorgeous RGB lighting. The desk can seamlessly sync with other Thermaltake RGB products, utilizing our TT software, and with over 16.8 million unique colors to choose from and 20 customizable lighting zones to adjust, the possibilities are endless. And if your eyes are sensitive to the RGB lighting, you can easily adjust the brightness settings in the software. Or just turn it off entirely. So in the end, the Level 20 Battlestation isn't your stock standard gaming desk. It offers unique features such as sit-stand functionality, a wide surface area for all your peripherals, and let's not forget, that gorgeous RGB lighting.